What's happening, everybody? My name is Dev. I've been a serious guitarist for over 3.5 decades. I want to help you improve on this instrument. This is Fretboard Friday, episode 8. The last 3 have been on movable chords for major 7th, minor 7th, and dominant 7th chords. And today's going to be about diminished 7ths. One of my absolute favorites. They're spooky and weird and fun, and they've got some really cool properties to them. Let's take a look at this fingering right here on the highest 4 strings. What's cool about this is any one of these notes can be the root. So let's say here I'm playing a D diminished 7. The root is on the B string. If I find that where the root is on the G string, or the root is on the high E, or on the D, those are all inversions of the same chord. They're the same notes. So you can play any of these. You play the right notes, you can play any of these. Just 3 frets apart from each other. Those are all the same chord. For a more deep dive into the theory behind this and the use of its arpeggios, you can check out my video on diminished 7ths. I'll put a card up here and a link in the description. But since there's only one shape for that, let's take a look at the shape for moving them around. Let's do C diminished 7 here. I'm going to freeze that with my freeze pedal. And this shape here is the same shape with the root on, well, maybe the lowest note on the A string. Always works. I love the sound of that. And as a quick bonus, one of the other things I also often do is I'll bring my thumb around to play the octave of the note that I'm playing on the D string. So you get a 5-fingered, very full sounding diminished 7th chord. So that's one of my favorite chords. And this is episode 8 of Fretboard Friday. If you want to know more about movable chords, check out my Guitar Chord Survival Kit. It's a free PDF that's available to everyone on my email list. Link in the description to sign up for the email list. I post a short video like this every Fretboard Friday and a longer lesson every Tuesday. Hope to see you soon. Cheers. Keep jamming.